Hi guys, welcome back to BrainTech YouTube channel. In this video, I will briefly show you how you can reset your phone without losing any data. But before I take you through, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please subscribe. When you subscribe, you stand a chance to stay updated each time we drop a new video. To begin this tutorial, the first thing you have to do is to back up your contacts to an external drive. Locate contacts on your phone. Locate settings. Use import and export contact. Export the contact to your email address or an external memory card. Don't forget this. You have to back up this contact to an external memory card or your email. When you do this, your contact will be safe after the hard reset. The next thing you have to do is to back up your files. These are all your files. Back them up to an external memory card. Note that after you might have copied them or cut them to an external card, don't forget that you are to remove that card and the memory card from your device. This will help you to retain those files after you had reset your device. Before we go on, do you know why your phone or phones needs to be reset? It could be an app or a service is malfunctioning or the phone is hanging. All you have to do is to reset it so it can be fine once again. There are some things you can do to avoid resetting your device. Some of those things are to clean your cache on the phone, to clean the phone cache, to delete unwanted files, uninstall unwanted apps. And when you do this, your phone might start working again. But if you insist on resetting the device, let us move on. Locate the settings on your device as your device may be. Mine is settings, then system, reset phone. Before you do this, please make sure you might have backed up all your contacts, all your files to external memory card. As I told you earlier, any external memory card you are backing up your files to, please don't forget to remove it after the backup process. When you remove it, it will help you to keep those files safe, because if you don't remove it, automatically your files will be lost after or while you reset the phone. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. as you reset your phone. I wish you all the best, and I'm so sure that your problems will be over after you reset the phone. Thank you for watching. Like this video, share it to your friends. Don't forget to check this channel for other interesting videos.